Orange County, California, is a diverse and picturesque region offering everything from beautiful beaches to cultural attractions and family-friendly activities. Huntington Beach, also known as Surf City, USA, is a seaside city in Orange County. It has a long 9.5-mile stretch of sandy beach that offers consistent surfing year-round. The waves range from 2 to 6 feet on average, but can exceed 10 feet during large swells. It has a deep-rooted surfing culture with numerous surf shops and training programs. Its surfing heritage also can be seen from various surf-themed events and monuments. Located in the heart of Huntington Beach, Pacific City is more than just a shopping destination. It's a lifestyle experience that perfectly encapsulates the laid-back yet vibrant spirit of Southern California. With its modern architecture and stunning ocean views, Pacific City offers a relaxed yet upscale environment. It's designed to be a gathering place where the community can come together to enjoy dining, shopping, and entertainment against a beautiful coastal backdrop. Both downtown Huntington Beach and Pacific City are great places to experience the local surf culture and nightlife. They offer a perfect blend of coastal charm, shopping, dining, and entertainment. Costa Mesa, located in the heart of Orange County, is often regarded as the vibrant epicenter of culture, shopping, and entertainment. This dynamic city, just a short drive from the Pacific coast, offers a unique blend of artistic flair, upscale retail experiences, and diverse dining options. South Coast Plaza is not just a mall, it's a premier shopping destination that draws visitors from around the globe. With over 250 luxury and fashion stores, including Chanel, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton, it's a paradise for shoppers. Segerstrom Center for the Arts is the premier destination for the performing arts in Orange County. It hosts Broadway shows, concerts, dance performances, and more. The city hosts one of the biggest events in Orange County, the OC Fair. It offers thrilling rides, live music, games, and a variety of delicious fair foods. The venue hosts numerous events throughout the year, including swap meets, pet expos, and seasonal festivals. Costa Mesa offers a vibrant culinary scene. Visitors can enjoy alternative shopping at the Lab Anti-Mall, the camp that emphasizes health, wellness, and eco-friendly cuisine, and SoCo and the OC Mix. For outdoor enthusiasts, Fairview Park and Tewinkle Park offer vast open space and a variety of amenities. Costa Mesa is a vibrant city offering a rich tapestry of experiences, from world-class shopping and dining to cultural performances and outdoor adventures. Disneyland Resort in Anaheim is a magical destination where the imaginations of Walt Disney come to life. Since its opening in 1955, Disneyland has captivated millions of visitors with its enchanting lands, beloved characters, and unforgettable experiences. The resort consists of 2 major theme parks, Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure Park, along with the downtown Disney District. Disneyland Park is the original theme park, divided into 9 distinct lands, each offering unique attractions, entertainment, and dining experiences. On Main Street, visitors can step back in time to a turn-of-the-century American town, inspired by Walt Disney's own childhood. Adventureland embarks on exotic journeys through dense jungles and far-off lands. Frontierland offers an experience of the excitement of America's pioneer days. Immerse yourself in the festive atmosphere of New Orleans at New Orleans Square. Venture into the world of woodland creatures and rustic riverbanks in Critter Country. Relive your favorite Disney stories and meet beloved characters on Fantasyland. Enter the whimsical world where Mickey and his friends live and play in Mickey's Toontown. Explore the wonders of space and futuristic technologies at Tomorrowland. Enter the Black Spire Outpost on the planet Batu, where you can live out your Star Wars adventure. Next door to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park offers attractions and experiences inspired by the history and culture of California, combined with Disney and Pixar magic. On Buena Vista Street, step into 1920s Los Angeles, reflecting Walt Disney's early days in the city. Experience the world of Disney Pixar's Cars in the stunningly detailed Cars Land. Celebrate Pixar's beloved characters and stories in a vibrant pier setting. Explore the glitz and glamour of Hollywood on Hollywoodland. Join your favorite Marvel superheroes in action-packed adventures on Avengers Campus. Experience the beauty of California's great outdoors at Grizzly Peak. Located between Disneyland and Disney California Adventure, downtown Disney offers a variety of shopping, dining, and entertainment options, all without an admission fee. Santa Ana, the county seat and second most populous city of Orange County, is a vibrant urban center known for its rich cultural heritage, bustling art scene, and diverse community. Founded in 1869 and steeped in history, Santa Ana offers a mix of historic charm and modern attractions that appeal to both residents and visitors alike. The Santa Ana Zoo focuses on species from Central and South America, featuring more than 350 animals, including a variety of monkeys, which is a nod to the founder's condition for land donation. The Bowers Museum is renowned for its extensive collection of art and artifacts from around the world, with a particular focus on indigenous cultures of the Americas, Africa, and the Pacific. Discovery Cube Orange County is dedicated to inspiring and educating children and families through hands-on science exhibits. Downtown Santa Ana is a blend of historic architecture and modern vibrancy, featuring numerous art galleries, boutiques, and eateries. Heritage Museum of Orange County includes historic buildings such as the 1898 Kellogg House, set amidst lush gardens and citrus groves. Santa Ana Artists Village in downtown Santa Ana is home to galleries, studios, and performance spaces. Knott's Berry Farm is a popular theme park that combines thrilling rides, family-friendly attractions, and a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. What began as a humble berry farm has transformed into one of Southern California's premier entertainment destinations. In the 1920s, Walter and Cordelia Knott began farming berries and selling them at a roadside stand. By the 1940s and 50s, Knott's Berry Farm had evolved into a Western-themed park, featuring the famous Ghost Town and other themed areas. Ghost Town is the heart of Knott's Berry Farm, offering a taste of the Wild West with its authentic wooden buildings and themed attractions. Fiesta Village celebrates Hispanic culture with colorful decor, lively music, and themed rides. Key attractions include Montezuma's Revenge and La Revolucion. Inspired by Southern California's beach culture, the boardwalk area offers carnival games, rides, and a vibrant atmosphere. Camp Snoopy is a kid-friendly area themed around the beloved Peanuts characters, offering gentle rides and family attractions. Indian Trails highlights Native American culture through crafts, storytelling, and performances. Every fall, Knott's Berry Farm transforms into Knott's Scary Farm, a massive Halloween event featuring haunted mazes, scare zones, and live shows. During the winter holiday season, Knott's Berry Farm becomes Knott's Merry Farm, offering festive decorations, holiday shows, and special treats. Celebrate Knott's roots with the annual Boysenberry Festival, featuring unique boysenberry-themed foods, drinks, and entertainment. Knott's Berry Farm is more than just a theme park. It's a piece of California history that continues to entertain and delight visitors of all ages. Newport Beach, situated along the picturesque Orange County coastline in Southern California, is renowned for its pristine beaches, upscale lifestyle, and a myriad of recreational activities. This vibrant seaside city is a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and luxurious living, making it a top destination for visitors and a cherished home for its residents. Balboa Pier is an iconic pier that offers stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and is a great spot for fishing, strolling, and watching the sunset. Balboa Fun Zone is a historic amusement area featuring arcade games, a Ferris wheel, and family-friendly attractions. Newport Harbor is one of the largest and most picturesque harbors in the U.S. Newport Harbor is a hub for boating, sailing, and water sports. Balboa Island is a quaint and picturesque community known for its charming streets and unique shops. Accessible by ferry, it features quaint shops, waterfront dining, and beautiful seaside cottages. Take a walk along Marine Avenue, the main street of Balboa Island, filled with boutique shops, galleries, and eateries. Don't forget to try a famous Balboa bar or frozen banana, a local favorite. Crystal Cove State Park features 3.2 miles of beach, tide pools, and 2,400 acres of backcountry wilderness. Fashion Island is an outdoor shopping center offering luxury brands, high-end boutiques, and department stores. Consider taking a harbor cruise to see Newport Harbor's beautiful yachts and homes, or embark on a whale-watching tour if it's the right season. Many Newport Beach restaurants offer dining with spectacular ocean and harbor views. Outdoor activities include whale watching, surfing and paddleboarding, kayaking, and sailing. Laguna Beach is a charming coastal town in Orange County, known for its art galleries, beautiful beaches, and scenic trails. It offers best-in-class sun-baked beaches, art galleries, and diversified cuisines from around the world. This charming small city has plenty of scenic coves, seaside resorts, and parks. There are also lots of great surfing beaches, tide pools, boardwalks, and many sport activities. Laguna Beach is best known for its deep-rooted arts culture. Dive into the local art scene with a visit to the Laguna Art Museum, which focuses on California art from the early 19th century to the present day. Other famous art venues include the Festival of Fine Art Show, the Laguna Playhouse, and the Laguna Beach Plein Air Painting. Start your day with a delicious breakfast at Zinc Cafe and Market. Enjoy fresh pastries, hearty breakfast bowls, and artisan coffee in their cozy courtyard setting. Stroll through Heisler Park, a stunning oceanside park offering panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, beautifully landscaped gardens, and public art installations. Wander down to the beach to explore the tide pools and enjoy a walk along the sandy shores. The park is a great spot for photo opportunities with its picturesque vistas and coastal beauty. San Clemente, located on the southern coast of Orange County, is a charming seaside city known for its Spanish colonial architecture, stunning beaches, and laid-back atmosphere. Often referred to as the Spanish Village by the Sea, San Clemente offers a unique blend of natural beauty, historical richness, and a vibrant community spirit, making it a beloved destination for both visitors and residents. San Clemente was established by Ole Hansen in 1925, a former mayor of Seattle who envisioned a Mediterranean-style coastal community. His dream was to create a Spanish village with red-tiled roofs, white stucco buildings, and lush landscapes. Hansen's vision is evident in the city's architecture, characterized by its distinctive Spanish colonial revival style, which gives San Clemente its unique charm. San Clemente Pier, originally built in 1928, is a popular spot for fishing, strolling, and enjoying panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. It also features the historic Fisherman's Restaurant and Bar. San Clemente State Beach is known for its stunning sandstone bluffs. This beach offers great surfing, swimming, and camping facilities. A favorite among locals and surfers, T Street Beach is famous for its consistent waves and picturesque sunsets. Perfect for family outings, North Beach offers a playground, picnic areas, and access to the San Clemente Coastal Trail. Casa Romantica Cultural Center and Gardens, once the home of San Clemente's founder, Ole Hansen, this beautiful estate is now a cultural center offering art exhibits, concerts, and educational programs. Del Mar Street is the heart of downtown San Clemente, lined with charming boutiques, surf shops, cafes, and restaurants. San Clemente is renowned for its surf spots, including Trestles, one of the best surfing locations in the world, attracting surfers of all skill levels. Dana Point has a nickname known as the whale capital of the West. Gray whales, blue whales, and humpback whales use Dana Point as a navigation lighthouse on their migrations north or south. Many whale-watching boat services in Dana Point Harbor provide exclusive and breathtaking experiences with these majestic animals off the coast. Besides whale watching, Dana Point Harbor also offers an array of recreational amenities, including specialty shopping, fishing adventure, kayaking, fine waterfront dining, and a variety of banquet facilities. Dana Point has been known as a rich fishing area for centuries, and it is one of the best spots to take on your ocean adventures to explore some awe-inspiring views and to catch all the fish you could possibly want in one trip. The calm waters of Dana Point Harbor are perfect for paddleboarding and kayaking. A day trip to Orange County offers a delightful blend of coastal beauty, cultural experiences, and culinary adventures. Please leave your comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and adventures. See you in my next video.